Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Jasper, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Jasper, Texas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Jasper around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Harrisburg around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Jamestown and Farsville around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Weirgate. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight. A tornado warning remains in effect